Alright, so me and Surprise had a bit of an adventure. So we got here at 11 o'clock, yeah? And what happened, Surprise?
Well, someone forgot his camera in the car.
In the taxi.
So we had to not only find get people to call the taxi guy because that guy didn't know that much English. And then we had to wait for him. And then we bought some stuff at a 7-Eleven in the meantime.
So yeah, what happened was I left my camera in the taxi. And I had to call the taxi guy who couldn't speak any English. I don't know any Chinese or Taiwanese that they speak here. So we actually had to go out, and I found a couple of guys who, the younger guys about my age, who could speak Taiwanese. And they actually got on the phone with the cab driver. And he finally agreed to come back here to drop off this camera that I'm recording with. And that took almost an hour.
Yeah, about an hour.
Yeah, pretty much. And while that happened, so what we did is we went to a local Taiwanese 7-Eleven. We went to 7-Eleven and we got some Taiwanese chips. We're going to try here. I think this is cheese flavor. This is seaweed.
Spicy.
This is, yeah, spicy, and this is not Lay's. This is like their local kind. And that's...
God knows what that is.
Yeah, I guess based on this, I guess the baked potato. And then we got these sandwiches for dinner. So, let's try it out. What do you want to start with?
Try this.
Alright, let's go with the spicy one. Open it up. If you open it and it sprays everywhere, bro, you're cleaning it up. Alright, let's see. Let's take a look. Ooh. It smells like masala. Alright. Let's cheers these chips, bro. Cheers, buddy. Oopsies. I'll clean that up. Let's try them. Interesting. Oh. Oh, wow.
That's a kick.
Yeah. Oh, man.
Pretty good, though.
Definitely spicy. Definitely spicy. Yeah, wow. Definitely super spicy. Surprisingly spicy, I should say.
Kind of like it, though.
Yeah, those are, I think, pretty good. Alright, let's try the seaweed. So, the spicy chips. These are the seaweed chips. Any day now. There we go. Sick look. Alright, let's see. What does it smell like?
It smells like...
Smells like regular chips.
Yeah.
Seaweed chips. Alright, ready? Like sour cream and onion.
Yeah, like
Yeah?
a milder version.
A milder version of sour cream and onion. Seaweed chips. Sour cream and onion. Alright. Next is the, God knows what flavor. I will say though, this plastic, compared to the American plastic, is way thicker.
Yes.
In America, ours is like kind of flimsy. This is pretty solid. Alright, let's take a look here. Give it a smell. It smells like regular potato chips.
It's
like
classic.
Baked potato chips. Yeah, it's a dud.
It's just the classic.
Regular potato chips. Alright, and then next we got
The cheese.
the cheese fondue. Alright, let's take a look here. Let's get a smell. Okay, smells interesting. Cheers.
Like a basic cheese.
like almost like a Cheez-It.
Yeah, yeah. That's...
It tastes like a Cheez-It, right? Cheez-It meets goldfish cracker.
With the consistent. What I noticed, like the potato in this, is like actual potato.
Which is a little thick cut, yeah.
Yeah.
Versus us, so like let's show them. So pretty solid. It's not very greasy either. So that's another thing, and it's pretty solid chip. Versus back home, they're a little greasier and a very thin, to where you can see through them. Even look at that.
I think this one actually has like some of the skin on it.
Yeah, so you can. Pretty much looks like better potatoes. All right. My favorite, spicy. That's one. I think cheese is pretty good. 2, 3, the seaweed, and then that's 4. Would you agree?
I think I'd swap these two.
You swap those two, okay?
Yeah, but other than that,
yeah,
basically the same.
All right, so let's try these sandwiches now.
Right.
All right. Come on, put this camera down real quick.
Oh, that's smart.
Smells weird.
I must say, 7-Eleven's here.
It's not recording. Let's put it down.
I know, but just saying like.
Alright, so these were from 7-Eleven. And 7-Elevens here are pretty impressive, actually. They have quite a bit of food selection. The one we went to actually had pastas and noodles and everything. So let's try, and this bread seems a little interesting too. Yeah, let's try it. The bread's kind of interesting. It's just like the bread you get in India. The it's a very thin bread, not like an American bread, or even like an American white bread, where it's a little bit thicker. This is very thin, almost like a focaccia bread. Yeah. It tastes definitely like a focaccia kind of bread. Not bad. For, you know, I think $3 or $3 USD. I think that was, I think all of this together was probably like $10 USD. Yeah. About 300 or 400 NT. So, not bad. So, I guess that's dinner for day 1. We will catch with you guys tomorrow. I think tomorrow we are going to a street food festival. Pretty excited about that at night. And then tomorrow morning, probably just walk around Taipei. Just kind of go visit some places, see if we can do anything fun or interesting. Yeah. Alright, sounds like a plan? Alright, catch you guys tomorrow.